Here's our crispy sesame chicken recipe. So start off with your saffron alley diced chicken breasts and coat them in some corn flour, egg mixture and seasoned flour. So all of the ingredients are listed down below and you just need to give them a good mix. Then add them to a wok full of hot oil. And for 3 chicken breasts, it took us 2 batches of frying, but you just want to cook them through so that each chicken breast piece is golden brown in colour, which takes around 8 minutes and 2 to 3 turns. So once done, take them out and let them rest over a kitchen towel. And all of your sauce ingredients can be added together, so again they're listed down below with their measurements, but you put them into a hot wok and then just let that cook for around 5 minutes. It will reduce a little. Then add your chicken pieces and give them a good stir so that they're well coated in that sauce. And you only need to cook that through for another 2 minutes or so and you've already got your sesame chicken absolutely ready. We served our sesame chicken with some sticky rice and as you can see, finely chopped some spring onion for garnishing. So we're just adding that on and then finally some sesame seeds for that final touch. Bon appetit!